Hi students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor in Masterminds from the past 20 years. So students who have written their CA Inter exams in May 2023 might have started preparing for CMA Inter exams to be held in July 2023 seriously. But CA Institute has already announced the results for CA Inter on July 5th itself. Some of the students might have qualified one group or both the groups or none of the groups. So now they are in a dilemma whether to start preparation for CA Inter or first finish CMA Inter exams and then start preparation for CA Inter. Even students who have cleared both the groups are also having several doubts with respect to CMA Inter exams. Don't worry, I'm going to help you. Watch this video till the end and all your doubts will get cleared. So before I could proceed further, we need to understand certain basic facts. Point number one, if you are preparing for CMA Inter, that means you are indirectly revising CA Inter also, because 90% of the syllabus is almost same. So this time, a student who got failed in CA Inter got around 4 months of preparation time, because results are declared by ICA in just a matter of 45 days. If you have qualified one group in CA Inter, you cannot join for practical training now, because on or after 1st July 2023, every registration for practical training will fall under new scheme only, in which you are eligible to join for practical training only after qualifying both the groups. So you must finish that remaining group now and then think of your CA Inter practical training. Situation 1, you qualified both groups of CA Inter. Now, if you are able to join for practical training before 31st October, then you can write CA final exams to be held in May 2026. So there is an ample time, don't worry about that. If you have already finished ITT as well as orientation, go and focus on CMA Inter exams first, finish them and then join for practical training. If you have finished either ITT or orientation but not both, then you attend your ITT or orientation classes for half day, and for the remaining half day you prepare for your CMA Inter exams and join for practical training after completion of CMA Inter exams. Alternatively, what I personally recommend is you first finish your CMA Inter exams. There are very good chances for you to achieve an All India rank because you qualified both groups of CA Inter at a time. After completion of CMA Inter exams, then you go and join for practical training. If you have not yet finished ITT as well as orientation, two options. Number one, you join for either one, so then you will be free for half day. In that half day, prepare for your CMA Inter exams, finish your CMA Inter exams and then join for remaining part of ITT and orientation. Alternatively, you think about ITT as well as orientation after completion of your CMA Inter exams. Reason, CMA Inter exams will get finished by July 25th itself. So still you have 31st October as the last date. Why you are in a hurry? Don't miss this golden opportunity of achieving an All India rank in CMA Inter. Situation 2, you are able to qualify only one group of CA Inter till now. If you want to join in a crash batch or sure success batch for the remaining group in Masterminds, then crash as well as sure success batches will start from July 10th onwards. For the first 1 week, the classes will be run slowly. You can come and attend classes after writing your first group of CMA Inter exams. Whatever the classes you are going to miss, we will provide you recorded video lectures. Whereas, if you want to join for study hours and revision exams for that remaining group, rather than crash or sure success batch, then you first finish both the groups of your CMA Inter exams. So your first revision exam, either it is for single group or both the groups, your first revision exam will be conducted on July 26th. We have intentionally chosen a later date. So you have still 3 months of time to prepare for that single group, which is more than enough. Even if you miss 1 or 2 revision exams, we will provide you the question paper and size answers of those exams. You need not worry. So you can follow the same strategy if you already have exemption in at least 2 papers of CA Inter and you are planning to write both the groups in November 2023 attempt. Since only 6 papers are there, even that 3 months of time will be sufficient to handle that 6 papers. That's why you can follow the same strategy. Situation 3, you did not qualify any of the groups and you want to join in crash batch or in sure success batch for one of the groups. Since you have decided to join for crash batch or sure success batch, that means you will definitely write only one group in November 2023. Attending coaching on one side and preparing for both the groups, it's not technically possible. At max, you can write 5 papers. So in such a case, you just finish your first group of CMA inter exams. Immediately after completion of first group of CMA inter exams, you come and join for this crash batch or sure success batch, as the case may be. For the first 1 week, classes will be slowly conducted, and even if you miss some classes, we will provide you the backup of recorded videos. Situation 4, you did not qualify any of the groups and you want to join for study hours and revision exams now for both the groups. Qualifying both the groups in November 23 attempt, that to 8 papers, it's a huge burden. First of all, forget about CMA inter exams for this attempt. Let us plan CMA inter exams in December attempt, postpone attempt for your CMA inter exams. Immediately start your preparation for CA inter. Come and join for study hours and revision exams immediately. Remember, there is an advantage also. Since you are going to write your CA inter exams in November, after that CMA inter exams will be conducted in December, you will get around 1 month of additional time for preparing exclusive chapters of CMA inter. Hence, there are very good chances for you to get an all India rank also if you write your CMA inter exams in December attempt. Situation 5, you did not qualify any of the groups, but you want to join for study hours and revision exams now for one of the groups only. Actually, since you are planning to write only one group in November 23 attempt, you have ample time. So that's why you better finish off your CMA inter both the groups exams and then come for study hours and revision exams for one group. The first exam will be held on July 26. So 3 months of time is highly enough since you are planning for only one group. Even if you miss 1 or 2 revision exams, we will provide you question papers and suggested answers. Even if you want to attempt 5 papers, you can follow the same strategy. Situation 6. So you would like to discontinue CA inter and just completely focus on CA inter alone. Then you take your CMA inter exams very seriously and finish off both the groups of CMA inter in this attempt itself. So my dear students, never take a wrong decision just because November 23 attempt is the last attempt for CA inter. There are no much changes. There is in fact a reduction of syllabus rather than increase of syllabus. EAS and economics for finance are discontinued from group 2, which is a welcoming move. Even if you qualify one group in the existing scheme, then it is sufficient for you to qualify the remaining group in the new scheme. You will not be asked to qualify both the groups again. Your exemptions in the existing scheme will also be carried forward. Don't worry about that. Exact rules are not yet framed. Very soon CA Institute will announce those rules also. Several students are asking one interesting question. Sir, I have already qualified group 1 in old scheme. If I shift to new scheme after November 2023 attempt, is it required for me to write the costing exam again? Because costing has been shifted to group 2 under the new scheme. Don't worry, my dear students. Most probably you will not be asked to write the costing exam again. Let us assume they want you to write it again. What is there the problem? Because under the new scheme there are only 3 papers. Your burden of economics finance is gone. Your burden of EAS is gone. So that's why don't be in a hurry and take wrong decisions. So I think I have covered all the different possibilities. If you still have any doubts, you can directly send a mail to my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. All the best, my dear students. By the way, here are the few details about Masterminds. Masterminds is a premier institution offering coaching from Inter MEC CEC to CMA final with an annual admissions of nearly 20,000. Here are a few details. For the aspirants of BBA or MBA or law courses, we also offer an innovative academic program called MEC CEC Pro. Here are the details. So don't forget to install our app for a lot of useful content. Happy to share that students from this many states are studying with us. Thanks to our alumni for their wonderful support. Here are the details of our online presence and here are the details of our physical presence. You can directly interact with any of the directors of Masterminds. Here are their contact details. If you find this video to be useful, like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Share your opinions or suggestions or improvements on this video in the comment section. Whenever you want to pay any fee in Masterminds, then directly go to the cash counter, pay the fee, so collect the receipt and check whether the receipt is correctly given or not. If you find any abnormalities or mistakes in the receipt, then so ask the cashier to take back that receipt and give you the correct receipt. Never pay cash to any of the employees of Masterminds except the cashier. Remember, Masterminds management is responsible only for the money which is being paid in the cash counter and a valid receipt is obtained for them. For any reason, if you pay any amount to any of the employees of the Masterminds other than cashier, then we are not responsible. Thank you. All the best.